Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can pair a Bluetooth audio device on Windows 11. So if you want to, or if you just bought your Bluetooth, the Bluetooth speakers, you can try to connect, pair with your laptop or your PC. So you have to pair it first by click on settings on your laptop or PC. You can click on system, then click on sound. Here we go, you can pair a new output device and click on add device. Here, choose the kind of device you want to add. You can click Bluetooth audio devices and make sure your device is turned on and discoverable. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. See you in the next video.